Small neck knives for self-defense offer discreet and accessible protection. Compact and lightweight, these knives are designed to be worn around the neck for quick deployment in emergencies. Featuring ergonomic handles and sharp blades, they provide a balance of utility and defense capability. Ideal for discreet carry in close-quarters situations, these knives serve as effective tools for personal safety, emphasizing convenience and readiness in unexpected situations. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 9. SOG Instinct Mini Small Fixed Blade Knife is a compact and versatile tool that embodies reliability and functionality. Crafted with high-quality 5KR15 mauve stainless steel, this small fixed blade knife offers exceptional strength and durability for a variety of tasks. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a convenient everyday carry option. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip for precise handling. With a versatile sheath that offers multiple carrying options and a lanyard hole for added convenience, the Instinct Mini showcases SOG's commitment to providing users with a compact yet robust tool suitable for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, or emergency situations, reflecting its reliability and practicality in diverse scenarios. Number 8. CRKT Minimalist Bowie Neck Knife Compact Fixed Blade Knife is a compact yet powerful fixed blade designed for versatility and everyday carry convenience. Its sleek, ergonomic design fits comfortably around the neck, providing quick accessibility and minimizing bulk. Crafted from high-quality steel, the Bowie-style blade offers exceptional durability and precision for various cutting tasks. The textured handle ensures a secure grip, enhancing control and maneuverability during use. This minimalist yet functional knife embodies reliability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, everyday utility, or as a backup tool. Its compact size belies its impressive performance, earning it a well-deserved place among enthusiasts and professionals seeking a dependable, easy-to-carry blade. Number 7. Scrade SC F47 Full Tang Neck Knife stands as a robust, compact blade, exuding reliability in a minimalist design. Crafted with a durable full tang construction, this knife ensures sturdiness and longevity, capable of withstanding demanding tasks. Its drop-point blade, forged from tough stainless steel, boasts exceptional strength and sharpness, suitable for various cutting and slicing needs. The ergonomic textured handle provides a secure grip, enhancing precision and control in diverse situations. Designed for portability, its compact size and included sheath make it an excellent neck carry option, offering quick accessibility while minimizing bulk. This Schrade neck knife embodies a balance of durability, functionality, and ease of carry, earning its place as a dependable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and tactical users alike. Number 6. Sog Gambit presents a versatile and compact fixed blade knife designed for multipurpose use. With a sturdy full tang construction, this blade boasts durability and reliability for various tasks. Its 2.5 8-inch cheapsfoot blade, made from stainless steel, offers precise cutting ability and strength, ideal for everyday utility tasks and self-defense scenarios. The handle, featuring a textured G10 material, ensures a secure grip for enhanced control and comfort during prolonged use. The included Kydex sheath with a ball chain provides convenient and discreet neck carry, allowing for quick access while keeping the knife easily accessible. The SOG Gambit embodies a perfect blend of functionality, portability, and durability, making it a dependable choice for EDC needs and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a compact and reliable blade. Number 5. Tops Mini Eagle stands out as a compact yet robust fixed blade knife, offering versatility and durability in a smaller package. With a 2.5-inch 1095 carbon steel blade, it delivers exceptional strength and edge retention suitable for various cutting tasks. Its modified Wharncliffe-style blade design enables precise cutting, making it ideal for everyday carry and utility purposes. The skeletonized handle design, crafted from durable steel, ensures a comfortable and secure grip while reducing overall weight. The included Kydex sheath with a ball chain allows for convenient neck carry, ensuring quick access and discreet portability. The two-piece Mini Eagle embodies reliability and functionality in a compact form factor, appealing to those seeking a dependable and versatile blade for daily tasks and outdoor adventures. Number 4. CRKT Thunder Strike Fixed Blade Knife is a compact and versatile tool that embodies both durability and functionality. With a 3.1-inch stainless steel blade featuring a spear point design, it offers excellent strength and precision for various cutting tasks. Its full Tang construction ensures robustness, allowing for reliability in demanding situations. The ergonomic, rubberized grip handle enhances control and comfort during extended use, reducing slippage for increased safety. Designed for easy carry and accessibility, the included glass-reinforced nylon sheath features multiple attachment options for belt or gear, ensuring convenient deployment while maintaining a low profile. The Thunder Strike stands as a dependable and practical option for everyday carry and outdoor activities, catering to users seeking a reliable and compact fixed blade knife. Number 3. Schrade SC F47 Tanto Blade Paracord Neck Knife is a rugged and compact cutting tool that blends durability with practicality. Its 2.9-inch Tanto-style blade, crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, offers robustness and cutting precision for various tasks. The full Tang construction ensures resilience, making it reliable for demanding situations. The handle, wrapped in paracord, not only provides a secure grip, but also offers versatile utility in emergency situations. Designed for convenient carry, the included thermoplastic sheath with a breakaway chain allows for discreet neck carry, ensuring quick access when needed. This Schrade neck knife exemplifies a fusion of toughness and portability, catering to individuals seeking a dependable and versatile cutting tool for everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. Number 2. TOPS 3-Pointer. In the workplace cannot be overstated. Clear and concise communication fosters collaboration, minimizes misunderstandings, and boosts productivity. It ensures that tasks are executed efficiently, expectations are understood, and goals are aligned. Furthermore, open communication cultivates a positive work environment where team members feel valued and empowered to contribute their ideas and feedback. By prioritizing communication skills and encouraging transparent dialogue, organizations create a strong foundation for success, enabling teams to thrive and achieve their objectives effectively. Number 1. Kabar TDI LDK is a compact, discreet, and utilitarian tool designed for personal defense and everyday carry. With a minimalist design and a lightweight build, this fixed blade knife boasts a 1.625-inch blade crafted from durable AUS-8 stainless steel, offering excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its ergonomic handle allows for a secure grip and easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The TDI LDK's sheath comes with a versatile ball chain for convenient neck carry or can be attached to a keychain for accessibility. This knife serves as a reliable option for individuals seeking a discreet yet functional tool for self-defense or everyday cutting tasks, emphasizing portability without compromising on performance or durability.